Hi guys, I'm Jessica and thanks so much for tuning in today. Today I am going to be sharing with you all a family favorite, which is the butter pecan cream cheese cake, which is perfect with the holidays approaching. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so first we're just going to start off by creaming together our butter and cream cheese, and then we're going to slowly add in our sugar. I like to add in my sugar about a quarter of a cup at a time. Just make sure you don't add it all in at once. Make sure all of your ingredients are at room temperature. Alright guys, and I'm just mixing here on about medium speed, and we're going to cream this mixture together for about 4 minutes, and we're going to scrape down the bowls periodically just to make sure everything is staying nice and incorporated. This right here has to be my favorite part of making a butter-based cake, is the creaming process. For some reason, it literally brings me joy. I'm not even lying, y'all. Alright, just continue to scrape down those bowls every once in a while. Next, we're going to go ahead and start adding in our eggs. You want to add in those eggs one at a time, making sure the first egg has disappeared before you add in your next egg. And prior to my last egg, I like to stop my mixer again and just scrape down the sides, and especially the bottom of the bowl. Alright, and I just turn my mixer down, and next I'm going to add in my butter, rum, and vanilla extracts. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and sift together my salt, baking powder, and flour, making sure that we have no lumps. And I also like to whisk it for about 30 seconds to try to incorporate a little bit more air. Okay, and I'm going to gradually add in my flour and milk, alternating between the two, starting and ending with flour. I like to do it in 3 parts flour and 2 parts milk. Making sure you do this slowly, guys. Look, I got stuff everywhere. I was in a rush. I really wanted to eat this cake, I guess. Alright, just scraping out my bowls and my beater again, and I'm going to give it one last whirl. Taking it off the mixer. Okay, and next you're going to go ahead and fold in gently your butter pecans. I love those butter pecans. They are delicious. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and grease my cake pans, and that's just some magic cake pan release that I'm using. It's just equal parts flour, vegetable oil, and vegetable shortening. It is amazing, guys. Just make a batch and keep it in your cabinets. Alright, and I'm going to do my best to evenly distribute this cake batter among the pans. You can use measuring cups or a scale if you want to be perfect. These are 9-inch pans, by the way. You can also do 3 of them. It's just going to be smaller layers. And just tapping out the air bubbles, and then we'll head on over to the oven. Alright guys, and these are the cakes once they come out of the oven. They're just going to slide right on the bottom of that cake pan. I'm not even lying. Look at that. Alright, just trimming the cake, and we're just going to do a quick decorating the frosting with cream cheese frosting. And a recipe for this frosting is in the description box below, guys. It's my favorite, probably the only one I use, if I'm being honest. Okay, next layer. And guys, by no means am I a professional cake decorator. I'm not even a professional baker. And right now I'm just adding a thin layer of cream cheese frosting. We're just doing a crumb coat, just filling in those crumbs so that they don't get in a final layer of frosting. And we're going to pop that in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it chill some. Let it chill out. Alright, and it's out, and we are frosting our cake. For some reason, my frosting would not take to the top of the cakes. And now I'm just adding on my nuts, just pressing them on the sides to try to keep them in. Why am I holding this turntable? It's like I want to scream, put it down and just hold the cake, girl. All right, just still pressing in those nuts. And I guess I heard myself because I finally put the turntable down. Look at that. All right, y'all. We're almost done here. Just trying to press in those nuts some more. All right, and just for appearance purposes, I'm going to go ahead and add a top piping. All right, guys, and there you have it.
All right, guys, so here's the finished product. So let's go ahead and cut into this beauty. I love this cake. Now I gotta call my brother and let him know I made it. He is going to be beating my door down. I'm so excited. I'm telling y'all, this cake is perfect for the holidays. And that rum extract actually took it up a notch for me. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you tried out this recipe, comment below and let me know how it turned out. And don't forget this cake for your next holiday function. It will be the icing on top, literally.